Trevor about?
He's probably out somewhere drinking human blood or eating household pets.
He's not that bad.
Really?
Well, okay, he is pretty bad. But he's got a sensitive side.
Oh, yes, he's very sensitive. When he gets his feelings hurt, he's devastated. So what's your story?
I ain't got a story. I'm an independent.
Get a boat and meet me under Raton Canyon Bridge. I'll be on the earpiece.
Alright, so I'm taking a car to steal a boat, stick up a drain, and get some gold.
That's about the size of it. Make it a fast boat.
Ah, the logistical mind of Trevor Phillips. So it's like gold bricks on board, right?
Sometimes. This is a high-value courier service run by Merryweather.
Oh, Merryweather?
Tranquilo, Mike. This ain't a weapons train. It's goods too valuable to insure... Sometimes gold, sometimes artwork, priceless antiquities. Sometimes enough for you, me, Ron, everyone.
Fine.
Like a mirage in the desert. Here's my train. Mike, oh yeah, another thing for your shopping list. We'll need some bombs.
Okay, I'll pick them up when I'm back at the trailer.
Back in the trailer? Where are you? We got work to do.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm getting changed.
Ah, whoa, getting changed? What have you turned into? Stop that train! I've got a ticket! Hold up! Oh! Don't leave without me! Chugga! Mike, oh yeah, another thing for your shopping list. We'll need some bombs.
Okay, I'll pick them up when I'm back at the trailer.
Back in the trailer? Where are you? We got work to do.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm getting changed.
Ah, whoa, getting changed? What have you turned into? There's a new conductor on this train. You on the water?
Sure, just caught a fish. Let me know when you need me.
Got it? Eat it? Be under that fucking bridge. When we go past Toledo Station, whole of Merryweather's gonna be onto us. Train ain't stopping here, boys! Em, I ain't far out. You under the bridge?
Approaching the inlet now. I'll power through to the bridge. How you doing?
I'm living the life, my friend. This is quite a spot you picked.
Enjoy it now, because it's about to start raining fire.
Oh, shit! Shit!
What we're after's in that orange car. Plant the bomb on the doors, blow them.
Now, if I was a speed-free cannibal, what would I blow up a train to steal?
Don't be smart. Find the loot. Our moment of judgment is fast approaching. Score's getting wet, Mikey. Open up that freight car. The container, Michael. Container, come on. You're gonna hit the container. Open that tin can. The container, Michael. Container, come on. There's only so much this old heart can take.
Merryweather fleet's here, bro!
The score's in the orange container. Plant the charge, blow the doors.
Now, if I was a speed-free cannibal, what would I blow up a train to steal?
Don't be smart. Find the loot. Our moment of judgment is fast approaching. Score's getting wet, Mikey. Open up that freight car. Trigger the thing.
Yeah, now get your ass in there, Mikey!
I'll be as quick as I can be. I gotta run a fucking salvage operation in here.
Merryweather recovery teams arrived! Find something, Mike! Find something!
I ain't struck gold or art or anything yet. Hold 'em off.
on the bridge!
Hey, your rifle's got a thermal scope, right? Use it and find those shooters before they find me!
You wanna die in a government holding facility? Find something and go! Woo! I got one of the bastards! Get the score and get out of there!
If I wasn't looking over my shoulder for Merryweather, guys, it might be easier.
No more snipers, so you can come out as soon as you find something! Now the parachute regiment burns up! Longer you take, the more guys I gotta kill!
I'll find something when I find something. Hold 'em off! Baby on board, we're good to go.
Finally! Come on!
In the boat, come on! All aboard! Come on, let's go! Sit down, let's go!
Downriver! Vamonos! We got both on us! Nature, you're right, it's a beautiful thing.
There's nothing natural about this. Nada. Boat T, she's yours.
They got guys on land! Women and children first!
Cars, up there, T. Get them off of us.
I forgot to say, nice outfit! And by nice, I mean lame! Chopper, right behind us! Get out of that one! You feeling alive? Juice pumping through your glands?
My glands are just fine. Without the crashing trains, exploding helicopters, and sinking boats.
There's somewhere we can pull up just down the coast.
Whoa! Man, you work hard for your living. Boil it down for me. How much you think you make for a senseless killing, huh? Couple nickels?
Times are tough. Have been since we put you in the ground.
Hey, you had your savings.
That I couldn't access because you blew the identities. You know, there was nothing for Brad's defense. Man didn't even get a trial, just popped up in Supermax. Transport's taken care of. Ron's dependable, you see.
Oh, his and hers, huh?
Because of you.
While I was a member of Black Flag, incredibly.
Hello.
Townley's on the line too.
Hey, Trev.
All right. I need your whole crew over at Cape Catfish. We're moving on the chemical weapons plant.
No. I just gave something to Lester. I need to deal with some stuff. Get back to Los Santos. Just, give me a week.
We got the equipment with your Polito money. The gangbanger's already on the way. The window's open, my friend, and you are jumping out of it.
Shit.
Los Santos ain't going anywhere, bud.
You picked the wrong day to fuck with me.
There's nowhere left to go! Take cover! I'm reloading! Good hit!
Reporting person resisting arrest on Grayson.
Get out of here, asshole! Come on! Son of a bitch! You're completely surrounded!